Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make words pop up on your Instagram story using your iPhone. First, you're going to go into the App Store and you're going to type Loop, and you're going to download the app Type Loop, as you can see here at the top. And then after you have downloaded it, you'll simply open it, and when you open it you'll be led to this page. Now, to add a pic in the background, you'll simply tap on the screen and tap on the box in the top right hand corner, and then you'll see a square in the bottom left hand corner right above the white dot, and you'll tap on that, and then you can go into your camera roll and choose a picture that you'd like to use in the background for your Instagram story. For instance, this pic here. And as you see, you can change the background color of the Instagram story also. And after you have done that, you can simply tap on the two A's, and then you can choose to change the text size. You can also change the color of the text, as you can see there. Then if you should tap on the two circles, you'll be able to change the style of the text. There. You can change the pattern, and there are numerous options. And you can also increase the speed or decrease the speed if you want, and increase the amount of time that it crosses over and all of that. And after you have done that and have gotten it to the way that you would like it, you can simply press the arrow pointing down, and you will be able to download the video and save it to your mobile device, and then you'll simply upload it to Instagram story like what you do a normal video. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.